Do you know Windows 11 has hidden screen recorder built right into your system? Here is how you guys can capture a screen in seconds without downloading any kind of third-party apps. So right now I am using OBS to record my screen. Now let's use the Windows. built-in application. To use that, you need to press Windows Shift S and it should open up or pop up this application, the built-in one. So you need to click on this video. This is a video recorder cassette type of thing. Now you need to drag from corner to the edge like that if you guys wanted to record full screen. All right, it's up to you. Whatever windows that you guys wanted to record, just drag and drop it. You can resize them just like that. So I'm just going to go full screen mode. Before you going to hit that start button, you need to click on this microphone icon to set up your microphone properly. So I'm just going to unmute this and I'm going to choose microphone here as my Yeti microphone. And also I will be muting the system audio because I don't need that. So it's all up to you. If you guys need, you can do that. So now let's record this. It's going on, right? 3, 2, 1. Now this is recording your full entire screen. And when you guys record, you cannot resize your screen, as you guys can see that. It's on red border right there. I don't know you can see or not. So yeah, but once you guys stop the record, you should not be looking these red lines because this is only captured through my OBS. So now let me stop this. So this is how it should look like, and you guys can directly edit this video in Clipchamp. This is a Microsoft built-in editor, I would say. It's basically like a CapCut, and you can check a video. And when you guys record, you can see that resize your screen, as you guys can see that it's on red border right there. I don't know you can see or not. So yeah, but once you guys stop the record, you should not be looking. All right, so to save this video, it's basically simple. You can click on this save, control save, or just click this button and save wherever that you guys wanted to. I will say let's save this on pictures, and there we go. We have saved this. Go to your picture folder. So this is the recorded file. You can also see the details about this. It is using 30 frames seconds and total bitrate is like 6 megabytes and it's 28 seconds. This is recording your full entire screen. So yeah, and it's pretty good, I would say. Yeah, but still the OBS is OBS and this one is the built-in Windows app. I would say this is good. So for alternative game bar is there as well. If you guys are playing games and you wanted to record game, you can use Windows Alt R once you guys enter the game. So for example, I am here in inside. Now press Windows Alt R. Now you can see that game has been recorded. It's showing the red button over there. Very well did. So this is how you can record for free without any kind of software like OBS or whatever. All right, so here we go. Pretty easy to record the games using this one. So if you guys found this useful, you can leave like and subscribe to keep your PC running fast and easy. Thank you so much for watching.